Good morning, guys. Good morning. And I am so glad that you are here with me on today. Well, on this Mind Your Mentality Monday, I wanted to talk to you guys. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. I just wanted to mention, I do read the comments below, and I know a lot of times as chosen people, people are just planted by the evil ones to keep us discouraged. Because if we can keep our mind in a state of contraction, then basically what we do spiritually or vibrationally is we push away the desires, the things that we're wanting to attract in our lives. And a lot of times what happens is we get so frustrated when we're trying to create a new lifestyle or we're trying to master whatever challenges that may present themselves in our lives, and we get tired. And so on Mondays, it's just designed for me to help all of the chosen ones to shift your mind to a higher frequency of thoughts. So I want to let you know that if someone is trying to discourage you today, that you don't even have to pay attention to that, because that's just false and it's just a lie. But I want to let you know that if you are in the midst of creating something absolutely great, which I know a large number of you are, I want you to remember these three elements, and that is thought, action, and time. See, when you're in the process of creating great things in your life, attracting great experiences into your life, the first thing that happens is that you have a thought. And scientifically, we know that the thoughts are seeds. They're spiritual seeds that you plant in your mind. And the goal is to get it past the gatekeeper, which is your conscious mind, into your subconscious mind, so that it will be on automatic for you. And when you're wanting to create great things or have great experiences in your life, it all begins with a thought. The second thing, after the seed is planted, then you have to have what you call some action. In other words, you have the thought that you ponder on throughout your day. When doubt shows up, you dismiss that doubt to embrace the thought of knowing that what you feel and what you're thinking about, it exists. It's already real. So once you do that, you begin to take action. And I call action is what we call energy in motion. You get your emotions stirred up, you take action, and you begin to act as if. You don't worry about the middle, because God is there to take care of all of that. You just have the thoughts that you constantly feed, and you have the action where you're always moving. The final thing that's a part of the component of creating great things in your experience is time. I always like to equate time to faith. Faith and time, they're kind of like married. It's like a merger with faith and time. And the reason why is because a lot of times we want to, be in a certain relationship, or we want to, be, let's say, financially secure, or we want to land this spot, this dream job, or if we're musicians or artists, we want to put our stuff out and we want it to, be viral, or, go double platinum, or have all these opportunities. But what we have to understand is that it takes time to cultivate an experience for you to match what you're asking for. See, we all began as a thought too. And then that thought was like a seed. And then once that thought was there, then it took action for us to begin to take form. And then once the action took place, then it was some time that lapsed in between that in faith as a seed. And in 9 months, God presented us to the world. And it's the same sequence when it comes to living your dreams, when it comes to manifesting great experiences in your life, when it comes to linking up with all the things that you imagine inside of your mind. It takes thought, which is a seed. It takes some action, which is putting things in motion. And it takes time, which is faith, to further develop and to cultivate experiences inside of us so that God will present the promise to us. So don't be discouraged today on this Mind Your Mentality Monday. Just know that God and the universe always leaves clues for what you need to do so that you can have the seeds, the thoughts, the action, and the faith and time to just live out all of your dreams. And I love you guys. Until the next video. Mwah. Peace, because I believe in you. Bye now.